You're looking high and sweet. No, it ain't Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God.
When they all the keys. This wine is talking to you.
I don't believe it.
Baby, it's wicked.
Oh, am I drinking this?
No, and you ain't careless either.
Something's very wrong here.
Oh, relax, golden doll. Do me a favor, would you, sweetheart? I need this a while back. Keep the voice away. Look at my branches. I'm crying up. I'm a doll now, honey. I'm all in giving. Little baby tonight. Don't you want me to dream? Don't need no glass or no eye. Don't need no twist or fire. And now it's summertime.
Here we go.
Audrey, I never meant for anything to happen. I'm sorry. This plant, it does weird things. But, it's running so much good stuff. When I started out with making money and doing business, and you like me.
Sweetheart, would you think I like that? Oh, I like to spend the day and spend working here.
You did?
Oh, yes, sweetheart. I love it.
Audrey, you're the most wonderful person that ever lived. I'm going to get to that house somewhere that's great, and we're going to live happily ever after together. I promise.
There he is, Mr. Mom. There he is, right there. Seymour Crabone.
Thanks, sweetheart. Don't wait up. Crabone? Seymour Crabone? The name's Mark. Patrick Mark. Now, World Mechanical Enterprise, Marketing and Licensing Division. Now, boy, do I have a gilt-edged proposition for you. Let me explain in more detail. All right, it's a simple licensing deal. We take cuttings, develop little RBQs, and sell it to florists across the nation. Pretty soon, every household in America has one. With the right advertising, this could go worldwide.
Worldwide?
That's right. I got a truck out back and some pots. If you don't mind, we'll start taking cuttings right away. This could be bigger than hula hoops. Bigger than hula hoops. Audrey, we've got to do something. Every household in America, thousands of them eating. That's why I'm along, isn't it? We're not talking about one hungry plan here. We're talking about world complex. And I want to thank you. You're not going to get away with this. I don't care what it takes for one of us to get out here alive. Go ahead and try. Take that. That's that. Here, let's do more. Rat poison. Eat it. Eat it. Give up, small fry. You might be tough on the outside, but on the inside, in that car, I'll get you. Huh? Audrey, can I tell you to go listen to the plant now? Uh-oh. Open up. Open up. Open up.